Once upon a time, software updates came on a CD-ROM via snail mail, but not anymore. To remain competitive, companies ship code multiple times a day. For example, Amazon developers release code on average every 11.7 seconds. DevOps is the combination of cultural philosophies, practices, and tools that increase businesses' ability to deliver applications and services at high velocity, and to deliver them at scale and on a continually evolving basis. Udacity's new Cloud DevOps Nanodegreery program teaches you all the practical skills necessary to deliver code faster, more securely, and at scale. In just a few short months, you'll learn how to deploy massive infrastructure and apps with code. You'll learn continuous deployment, continuous integration pipelines, and work with microservices at scale. Whether you come from a software development or operations background, Udacity's new Cloud DevOps Nanodegreery program is for you. It will supplement your skill set using new, real-world projects. Enroll in Udacity's Cloud DevOps Nanodegreery program today.